You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the full name of this brand of high-performance bicycle components, originally from France. And yes, that's the full name of the acronym. It's known and pronounced as Mavic. Mavic in France, in French pronunciation, Mavic. Mavic in English. The full pronunciation of the full name is Manufacture, which is French for manufacture, of course. D'article. Article is French for items, or you could say components. Manufacture d'articles. Vélocipédiques, meaning for bikes. Vélocipédiques. Idou et Chanel. Idou et Chanel, I suppose, are the name of the founders. So, the overall pronunciation, Manufacture d'articles, vélocipédiques, Idou et Chanel. In English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, go with Manufacture d'articles, vélocipédiques, Idou et Chanel, or Chanel. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.